Guys, we're running out of time. Let's film this shit. Why did I look at my hand? I don't even have a watch. It's the dumbest thing.
You wear a fucking watch in your life. Have you ever worn a watch?
Not since phones came out. So in today's video, I'm gonna go through some of the most frequent things I always get asked. How do I manage my time? All right, so before we get into this, I wanna make sure you guys don't waste my time. You need to subscribe, hit the like button, comment on other videos you wanna see me make, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So the first way I manage my time is by prioritizing the most important tasks and meetings I have throughout the day and throughout the week. So this allows me to put the attention on the things that matter most and the things that are the most important to get done. So without doing this, I always find myself in the most stupid meetings ever, calls that I take that have no value whatsoever, all kinds of silly tasks that make me no money. So here are some of the things that I prioritize over everything else. The reason why is because these are the things that bring in the money. All right, so in no specific order, the first one is closings. I do lots of closings where I'm buying and selling properties. This makes me a lot of money. I always make sure I prioritize and I'm be there on time and get everything done. The second thing that's really important that I get done right away is I'm always looking at all the deals that get sent to me by email, text, however else, because the first one to respond gets the good deals. If you are getting a good deal, it's literally gone right away if you're not the first one to respond. The reason why I get so many deals is because I'm the first one to respond. If I wasn't the first one to respond, I would probably be buying less than half the deals I'm buying right now. The third one is I always respond to all my emails and texts and messages very quickly, depending on who it is. But even if it's not somebody super important, I always respond within 24 hours. It's crazy. Sometimes you get these crazy messages and you just don't know who they are and you don't think they're important, but literally I respond to them all within the first day, and some of them turn into big deals and big money. One of the most important things to have people deal with you over and over and over again is to be reliable. If you don't show up to appointments that you have set, no one's ever gonna deal with you again. Number 5, I always show up on time to speaking events. Speaking events are real important. When I speak at events, people look up to you, they learn a lot from you, and they wanna do deals with you. Every single time I go to events and speak, I do so many deals with all the people I'm speaking to, and it's a super effective way to build brand new great relationships. Now here are the things I don't spend any time on. Negative people or people that have bad intentions. I hate spending time with anyone like this because it just totally ruins my day and my week. And my days and week haven't been ruined in decades, so I definitely don't want that to happen now. I also don't like to take time dealing with people that always try to take advantage of me and never trying to give and help out. I also don't like spending much time with people that have different values and interests than me. It just doesn't go anywhere. We just waste both of our times. I'm trying to make money doing single family homes, buying businesses. People come over to me and ask me about stuff I have no interest in, I don't want to invest in, things I know nothing about and can't help them with. It just doesn't make any sense. This is a strange one. I don't like dealing with people that always ask me over and over and over, how can they bring me value? I know that they mean well and they want to help out, but honestly, it's just annoying. I want them to just figure out how they can bring me value and just do it. That makes it so much more special. By asking what you can do, it just makes me have to figure out what my problem is for you to solve. I want you to just solve it on your own. I don't have to figure it all out. And the last one that I definitely don't spend any of my time on are people that don't subscribe, comment, and like these videos because fuck, we have nothing in common. The second way I manage my time is by staying organized. I do this by inputting every meeting, call, and task into my iPhone. Oh, by the way, I don't like people that don't have iPhones either. What? I input these tasks as soon as I find out about them. Literally, if I wait a minute, I usually forget and the whole thing gets messed up. Besides forgetting, another real important reason why I do this is so I don't double book anyone and have to decide at the end, all right, who should I call and break the news to? So let me show you exactly how I do this. All right, so let's say I have an important thing I need to do. Let's say something like, what's really important? All right, subscribing, liking, commenting on this video right now. I'll just go in, I'll be like, all right, today is Friday the 9th. I am going to add subscribe to Abraham Gray's channel. And then I go to the date right now, today at 5:45, and I add it. I'll put a notification so I don't miss it. I want to know right away. I add it, boom. Now it's in my calendar. At 5:45, I am gonna make sure I subscribe to Abraham Gray's channel. Why wouldn't you? Guys, it's that simple. I'm not that great at technology. You don't have to overcomplicate anything. Just make sure everything's in your calendar. Make sure there's an alert set off and you won't miss anything. The third way I efficiently manage my time is by delegating all kinds of extra tasks that I don't need to do to my partners and other people on my awesome team. So I especially do this when my team has more time to dedicate than I do, or if they're better at it. Believe it or not, most of my team do stuff better than me, so why not have them do it? I definitely delegate anything I don't enjoy. This includes all kinds of stuff, including paperwork. I hate paperwork. That's like the last thing that I want to do. Or just doing simple research. I like pointing people in the right direction of what they need to research, but I don't want to do the actual research. Let them do it all. Boring meetings. Boring meetings are the worst. To me, actually, all meetings are boring. I've really hardly ever been to a fun meeting. Tedious and mindless tasks. These are usually tasks that take a whole lot of time and anyone could do it. You don't have to use your brain to figure this stuff out. This is stuff I hate doing. Dealing with accounting and paying bills, I definitely want somebody else to do all that stuff for me. Operating businesses. Although when I first started like 25, 30 years ago, I did operate a lot of businesses, but what I realized is when I operate businesses, I can't find more businesses, I can't find more deals to make money on. So I want somebody else to operate everything for me, and I'll just keep bringing them deals. This list can go on and on and on and on. But I'll tell you what, I don't even like filming or editing any of these videos. So if you like these videos and you want the guys that make my videos to make some of yours for you, you should reach out to John at makecontentlab.com. I have a team of over 6 people that can film, edit, and do anything that you need. The last and most important way that I schedule my time is by scheduling all my self-care tasks. Without scheduling all these things, there's no way I'll remember to do them all on time. And if I don't get all these things done, I'm not gonna be as efficient, I'm not gonna be able to do hardly anything throughout the week. There are times literally that I'm in my office working and you know what? I start feeling a little bit burned out, so I just go to the gym and then I come back and finish all my tasks. Sometimes I even leave and go get a massage or a pedicure and come back and feel so much better. So when I come back relaxed, I get so much more done, so much more efficiently, and that literally helps me make so much more money. So speaking of time, we're about to schedule the end of this video, and I don't know why I keep doing this, I don't wear a watch ever, but you know what? Don't forget, you gotta comment, like, actually, you know what? Jeff, if you're watching, I don't want you to fucking subscribe because I know that you don't give a shit about this, but everybody else, make sure that you comment, like, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything going forward. And if you wanna know why I said fuck you to Jeff, watch this video right here.